Hello, my name is Divine Jacob. I'm Nigerian. I'm a high school graduate. I like playing basketball. I like playing video games on my free time. I like traveling. I'm going to talk about my poster. I used Adobe Illustrator to design my poster, talking about racial justice. I made the title very big, very bold and clear, because it's something we should consider. So the blue color in the background signifies peace and serenity. And the picture over there shows a justice scale, showing two black fists on a balanced scale, because we all need to be treated similarly and equally in terms of practices, beliefs, religions, activities that advance equivalent treatment to all races. Do you know that black students are often suspended and expelled more than the white kids? And the median wealth of the white households are 10 times more of the black households and 18 times more than the Latinos. So all I want you guys to know is that all races should all be treated equally and similarly, because we are all humans, we all live on the same planet. So let's work together as a team and promote unity and peace.
Hello everyone, my name is Faith Jacob and I'm from Nigeria. I attend Daniel McIntyre Collegiate Institute. I love to read novels like adventures and history novels. I joined this program because I want to be a part of a community that stands up for what they believe in, most especially standing up for racism. My poster is Speak Up, and the main idea is that our voices must be heard, because some people like to be silent, they don't speak up, maybe they are afraid or something, but we must speak up. And the color I used are yellow and maroon. Yellow symbolizes hope and maroon symbolizes courage, which is when we speak up, we are courageous and we hope for change. So we should all speak up and our voices must be heard.
Hello, this is Helen Sakai. I am from Eritrea and I am in grade 12 at St. John High School. And I like to play volleyball and listen to music. And today I'm going to share with you my poster, which is about equality. Equality is the state of being equal in statute, rights and opportunity. Equality is about ensuring that every individual has their unequal opportunity to make the most of their life and talents. It's also the belief that that no one should be treated bad and no one should have poor life chances because of how they look or where they came from or what they believe in or whether they have disability. Everyone should be treated the same way and also have the same opportunity. Everyone is considered to be equal and treated the same way, because nowadays we can see that a lot of people make difference between others depends on their skin color or where they came from. And I think that's sad, because only laundry should be separated by their color, not people. So we should respect each other and we should love each other and be nice to each other more. And we have differences, and I think our differences what makes us beautiful and strong. And my goal or action to call from my poster is to be nice to each other more and respect each other and learn from each other.
Hi guys, my name is Monica and I'm from Congo and I'm in grade 9. Something that I love doing is dancing because it's something that I'm passionate about. So today I'm going to talk about my poster. It's all about equality, and the title of my poster, it says we are all one. One thing that I just want to tell you guys that we are all one, even if we have different colors, but still we have one heart. And one of the things that most of us people do is, judge someone by their color. Well, you can judge someone by their color, but just know one thing, that we're all one. You might be black, blue, pink, white, but just know that we only have one heart and we only have one blood, which is red. So we are all one, equal, even if you are black or white, we are all one. And yeah, let us just love one another and show peace to each other and show kindness to each other and just be equal. I chose this course because it's something that applies to my lifestyle, and it's something that I want to speak up to people, to know that even if we're different, just know that we are all one and we are all equal.
I hope that people will understand that we live on the same space. We shouldn't be hating each other, and we shouldn't be discriminating anybody different, because we all have eyes, hands, legs. We can talk, we can speak. It's just a matter of different culture.
Hi, my name is Blessing and I'm in grade 11. I'm a student at Golden Bell. I love soccer, I love singing, I love just music, and I also love designing. So I'm so glad to be here to talk about equality, racial equality, and I'm one of the million voices out there, so I'm so glad to bring this up. So equality is something that has been an up and down in our world. It's something that a lot of people have been struggling with, especially if you're a person of color. So there are a lot of people that have been fighting day and night for equality in our world. For example, Nelson Mandela was a person who fought for equality all his life in South Africa, and he quoted, "No one is born hurting another person because of the color of his skin, or being background, or his religions. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love, for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite." So when we learn to hate, we can also learn to love. Love can bring unity, and love can bring equality in our communities and in our world. Thank you.